All right, what's up? What is going on, YouTube? How's it going? How are my people doing? Glad you stopped by tonight. We just thought I'd just got back from prison ministry and want to give you guys an update. I upgraded the Telegram group this morning, but I did not get a video out for YouTube, so I want to get one out now. So let's do it. Let us do it. This is my way of feeling bad for not not getting a video out. So we're gonna try to get one out for you. Let me know you're around. And audio and video is good, if you don't mind. Khalid, what's up? Dude, last live stream, man, I totally forgot your chart. I'm so sorry, Khalid. I hope you saw my apology. But we'll get it up this time if you want. Hey, Jason. Glad you stopped by, man. I'm great. I am great. How are you doing? Hamed, my friend from the East Coast. How's it going, buddy? There's 11 of you here. Audio's good. All right. Excellent. Thank you. Excellent. All right. Well, I want to get you guys an update on Bitcoin. Just kind of stalling for people to pop in here. We got 18. All right, that's getting close. I'd like to get going. We have about 20. I think we're close enough. Yeah, let's get you guys an update for Bitcoin. What's up, Twins Records? How's it going? How is it going? See if we can figure out this Elliott wave count here. All right. I'm on the 6-hour chart right now. Let me get rid of these MAs for now. Okay. So always, as we've been talking about the last, whatever, is this wave complete? That's the big question. We don't know what this wave is in the context. It could be a fifth wave. It could be a one wave with an ultra bullish count. It could be the fifth wave of a C wave. There's all kinds of counts we can have here. So I'm not exactly sure what we are looking at as far as this last wave. It would seem to me, just it would seem, that we did not finish this wave, but could be done. So that, people ask, do we have any more upside to go? I don't know if we have more upside to go. I'm going to be real honest with you guys. I don't know. So I'm actually playing the moving average crossovers right now, and letting the moving averages kind of give me entry into the market. So they've been really good right now. Right now I'm short. We are in Litecoin and Ethereum had some bullish crossovers today, but again, entry isn't clear, so anyway, we'll talk about that. So anyway, the counts. I know that there's another channel out there, and a friend of mine, that has a count that he had a video here the other day that invalidated this is a third wave. I disagreed with that, but that's okay because we're still friends and everything's good. But yeah, the channel that wave. Yeah, I'm not looking to speak mean or anything. It's just we have a disagreement here the way we're interpreting this wave, and that's one thing you get with Elliott wave is that you get different interpretations, and some of his logic I didn't track or follow, but that's okay, right? So for me right now, this is still a possible expanded flat. That is possible. It cannot go higher in my opinion than right around $10,000. So what's up, Meyer? How's it going, my friend? Matt, what's up, man? Max, hey, buddy. Um, so you at least the way I'm thinking is that this is in the realm of possibilities, okay, and that we still could get the wave down for that Z. That's in the realm of possibilities, but I'm not. Oh, is tonight the is Myers tonight the State of the Union address? I didn't realize that. I was in prison ministry. I just got out. I didn't even I didn't even pay attention. Daggone, I'm gonna have to watch the rewind of that. I shouldn't have been. I shouldn't be talking about this during that, man. My bad, guys. My bad. It's important that we listen to that for sure. I listen to all the presidents, whether you like them or not. I listen to them all. So anyway, my bad. Thanks for mentioning that, Meyer. Let's look at this anyway. So anyway, for me, this is still on the table. Okay, that's on the table as an expanded flat. What we'd expect is that it would go up and hit the 2618 right up here. My target here of about $10,000, 99.83, 99.50 in that ballpark. Okay, so still looking for one more hit to the high potentially. That would be as high as I would want to see this wave go if we're going to see this as an expanded flat and then we come down. Okay, so yeah, that's that's one take on it. The other take on it is that this was the bottom of the wave. This was our Z wave, okay, and this is looking to a lot of guys more plausible here. And this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We got a nice 5-wave structure. Again, people are questioning that as a 3-wave. Let me just as a third wave. The way I count that is. Again, without going too small time frame here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's a 5th wave diagonal. A 5th wave extension in that wave. So that's the way I'm counting that. A 4th wave pullback. It was a nice. It came right to a very nice fib here. Came to the 382 perfectly, and then we came up. So that's perfect for a 4th wave. I like it. To me, it looks very good as a 4th wave. So this is looking very nice as a 5-wave structure. Okay, so that's the way I'm interpreting this, guys. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, 5 target up here at 10,000. The big question mark is this wave finished? I don't have a lot of new to tell you here, guys. I don't have a lot of new to tell you. So let me just show you what we're looking at. But we want to see if that wave is finished, okay? Okay, let's go zoom in here. 15-minute time frame. Boom. Okay. The way we project the 5th wave is we start from the bottom of 1 to the top of what we think 3 is. Boom. Boom. Okay. And then we need to know where 4 is going to end. Don't know where 4 is going to end. But we can project where 4 is going to end by right here, right there. We've hit the 382. That's we've possibly ended at the 4th. We could come on down here. So we have a projection of price right here at the 618 confluent with our $10,000 fib that we were talking about earlier. So that brings that 9914. It brings a lot of confluence to the table here, up here in this region. If this is a 4th wave, so if we interpret it like this, we got 1, 2. All that's 3. This is 4. Gonna go up for 5. Okay, boom. Possible. That is a possible count. Now whether this is finished or not, this wave is finished, I can't tell you for certain. Okay, so what you might do is use your MA crosses as use the on the 1 hour time frame, guys. This is on the 1 hour time frame. Put the 20, the 50, and the 100 on here. Right now, you can see that we have a bearish cross right here, where the price crossed the 20, which is my yellow line. That's my 20 moving average. Price crossed that yellow line, and then it retested it right here. I went short. We've been riding it short ever since. Now, what we're doing right here is we're testing that moving average again to the upside. So we might be having a bullish cross right here. So if this is finished, okay, which it's bouncing on the 382 fib, so that makes sense. Okay, if this is finished, we might be heading up. So if I get an hourly candle that crosses that, and I'm liking it, liking the way the candles are looking, then I'll go long here, and the stop is going to be basically a bearish cross of price across that. Okay, especially if price bounces off the 50 or the 100 and then comes back down, that'll be the stop. But again, if there's going to be another push to the high, we want to get it. So one of the ways we can do that is use this MA cross. That's what I've been doing lately, especially when I don't know the Elliott count for certain. The price crossing the 20 on this move has been phenomenal here. Right down here we had some sideways chop, but once it crossed right here, price crossed right here, you got that entire wave on the 20 moving average cross. It's just when you get the fourth wave right here, you get sideways chop, it begins to be hard to use the cross, but then it breaks out of that sideways chop, and it breaks down, and so you can use that as signals. And so that right now, that's what I'm kind of using right now. It's kind of using a moving average cross for some signals to the upside or downside or whatever. So right now I'm still short, but right now we're threatening to go long in particular. So that's the way you might trade this market and see. But again, you do get with that strategy. I'm using the 1 hour; it gives me the best signals, I believe. But again, with that strategy, you get some false signals. You got to be prepared to be disciplined with your stops for sure. Okay, but again, if I'm expecting with my Elliott wave count that I'm going to get this move to the high, I want to make sure that I'm in the wave when it goes up there. Okay, but keep in mind, most likely, in my opinion, if it goes up here. If it goes up to this range, guys, it's gonna be fast. You get a little bit of a chop, but it's gonna finish pretty fast, and then it's gonna probably tank, much like this wave did, much like this wave did over here. So it's gonna be a quick reversal, and we're gonna be heading down for a larger correction. Okay, that is if this is actually a 5-wave structure. Okay, now let me talk about the ultra bullish diagonal count that Hippo brought up. I've brought it up as well in others, but I haven't given it a lot of time in my videos, but I've mentioned it as a possibility. So let's talk about the ultra bearish count, excuse me, the ultra bullish count that is out there right now. So again, here's an ultra bull count right here. We actually call this a diagonal. It's a leading diagonal. Okay, there we go. So we're going to call that a leading diagonal. 5 waves are finished. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 waves are finished. And then what this is just a little crappy little 3-wave. That's all we get. And then boom, we're off to the races. And what this is 1, and now we're getting 2, and we're off to the races. Okay, there's the ultra. That's the ultra bullish case where this is actually 1, 2, but that 2 is so short it wrecked everybody because everybody thought it was going to be a lot deeper, which I did. In fact, it jumped. It even stopped at the 786 extension here and the 382 fib of this entire move. So yeah, I didn't like that a bit for sure, and that's why I missed my entry right here on that wave because of it. I was expecting one more down before we go up, and I was really expecting this, guys, and then up, and we didn't get it. We didn't get it at all. So yeah, so you might be counting this as a leading diagonal 1, and that's your 2, and that's it. That's all you get. And this is a 1, 2, and now we're going, straight to the moon here pretty soon. Once this thing is finished, straight to the moon. So that's the ultra bull count. Is there a reason to believe that that's going to happen? I want to keep that on the table as a possibility. I'm not going to just dismiss it as unlikely or it can't happen. Market can do whatever it wants to. If there are enough buyers coming in and enough money out there that's ready to move in, then I don't know what the market makers are going to do. I don't know what the people with money are doing. The people that actually move the market. I don't know what's going on for sure. So anyway, all right. So it looks like Bitcoin's moving up a little bit here, and I said earlier in the Telegram group that we had a bullish cross of the MA right here on the 1 hour chart. Let's look at Litecoin. We've already had a cross of the moving average right here. Boom. We crossed it, we retested it, and now we're jumping off of it again. Let me see if I can reload this chart. It loaded BTC. Hold on one second. LTC. There we go. One hour. There we go. So yeah, we've got a candle close above it, and could be heading up. So it might be a good buy signal, but again, it doesn't have to be. Keep in mind, this could be just a little corrective wave to the upside. A, B, C, like a so, and this is heading down from there. But that's why we set stops, right? That's why you go long in this region here. Once you cross bullish across the 20, and if it crosses back and closes beyond that, then you close your trade. Okay, and you're only out if you get in right here at $68 and you set a stop for 67, you're only losing a buck per Litecoin. I mean that can be just if you're trading big. So you can start small. You can enter small position and then add to that position as it confirms to the upside. So that's a possibility as well. So keep that in mind for the a bullish trade there. So yeah, we've got a bullish crossover there of the 20. So watch out on that. Ethereum has the same thing, except Ethereum's looking more bullish than Litecoin is. In my view right now, because we had a cross of the 20 moving average. It's actually crossing the 50 right now. Boom. Let's see on the one. This is on the 1 hour, guys. And so yeah, it's really threatening here. So if we get some more upside, guys, there might be a nice Ethereum trade to the upside here. 10 or 15, $10 or something. Up to 203 is my next target. 203 is my next fib target for Ethereum as well. So anyway, it's all going to depend on Bitcoin for sure, guys. And so I'm personally trading Bitcoin up and down. Let's see here. Got some comments here. Let's see. Max says thinking the 4th of the 5th maybe in for LTC. Yeah. Yep. Yep. It's hard to tell, isn't it? What's up? What's up, High Desert Garden? How's it going, buddy? Meyer, you know what? I don't know the reason why XRP. Crypto Elf gave you an idea there. I wish I could tell you what's going on there. So anyway, guys. So right now we're at a crossroads. I would watch price here around this moving average. If we get a good crossover, even on the 1 hour of the 50 moving average, and then the 100, guys, then that's going to be good signs for possibly a bullish wave to the upside. This has bounced, guys. This has landed on the 382. Okay, that's why we're getting this bounce. But whether this bounce continues or not, I don't know. It's not coming up very powerfully right now, but who knows what's going to happen overnight. So let's watch that, guys. So right now, the big thing is I don't know if the 5th wave is in. So my targets to the upside are $10,000 for Bitcoin. That's what I believe right now. That's my next target. So that's the next one I'm watching. And so if I see evidence that we're going to make another wave up, I'm going to go long for sure. Let's see. Not that one. Let's see. There we go. Litecoin. I've got, again, Litecoin. Let's see. What's my target? If I think it was 79 was my higher target. Let me see. See if I can give you guys an upper target for Litecoin if it goes up for another wave. Yeah, 78.16 is our next target. It's a 1-to-1 extension. So right there. If we get one last push, looking for 78. 76 to 78 in that ballpark there. If you want to be conservative. Okay, and then Ethereum, I'm looking for 203 if we make another push to the high, looking for 203. Those are my upside targets, guys. That's what I'm looking for. If we get any more downward push on Bitcoin, what are some targets that are still bullish but downward push? we've already kind of hit 91.33, which is our 127 extension, which is right at the 382. This is a really good reversal area. Is why we're getting this bounce, but we could come all the way down to $9,000 here in this region right there. That's the 1618 of that. So there's a possibility we get basically an A, B, C, or it's a WXY that stops right in this region around 90.50. About 90.50, but 9,000 is about as low as I want to see it go, and then we can still get that last wave to the upside. Yeah, I give the calls in the Telegram group very regularly. I did a midday video for everybody today. I give my analysis in the morning usually if there's something to say. Um, uh, so yeah. Do I give whether I go? Yeah, I tell you whether I'm long or short always. Stop losses. I trade a little loose with my stops because I'm pretty patient. But yeah, when people need to know stops, I can give it to them for sure. But yeah, basically, it's not like a trade calls so much as, but everybody knows where I am in my trades usually. Whether I'm long or short, whether I'm holding a negative trade or not, or whatever. I'm not a perfect trader by any means, but yeah, I do share what I'm doing for sure. But lately, I'm pretty much trading the crossovers of the moving averages right now, and kind of calling those out for now. Um, you know, so and preparing people for trades as well. Prices to watch for, and when we should look for longs and things like that. So I do share that information on a regular basis, and we all talk as traders in there. What our ideas are, but a lot of learners in the group, and a lot of people that have been around a while as well. So yeah, I hope that answers your question. What's up, margin trader? How's it going? Always waiting for this. I don't know if it's worth waiting for, bro. Let's see. 78 is the point 0.5 extension. 382 entire rundown. Okay. All right. There you go. Um, let's see. Khalid says BTC already has wave 5 reached 1 to 1. I'm not sure what you mean. On BTC, 1 to 1 compared to what, Khalid? You might show me a chart with the fibs. Thanks, Crypto Elf. Appreciate it, buddy. I'm not sure what you mean, Khalid. Let me know. Okay, guys, there's not a whole lot to say here, guys. I just wanted to just touch base with you and update you and let you know. So, what I'm doing personally is on the 1 hour chart, I've got the 20, the 50, and the 100 moving average. Simple moving averages right there. Yellow is my 20, my red is 50, and my blue is 100. And I'm watching the moving average. I'm watching price as it crosses that line. So right now we've got a bullish cross, but I want to see if this candle is going to close beyond it and continue. So if it does, then I might go long in this region. Just chance it, because we have $1,000 upside or $800 upside potential coming, and so we want to hit that. We have the rationale is we've hit the 382. This is a potential finished WXY, WXY correction. And we've hit the 382, and we might be heading up for the next and final wave. So yeah, I'll pull a fib on XRP for you. Sure, no problem. So anyway, that's why I'm considering long right now. Okay, but I want to watch price action. I want to make sure we're going to get because I don't want to. Last thing I want is to get a dump like that, and because at the end of the day, guys, this could be like a cryptic. This is wave 5 right up here, and let me get this out of the way here. This could have been the top of wave 5, and we're starting down, guys, or this is the top right here, and we're starting down. I don't like that because of some reasons here, but anyway, there's nothing saying we have to go up to those up higher targets. There are Elliott wave counts that allow us to to do it. Let me pull up your chart here, buddy. So it is a big I don't know burger. I mean, I can't tell you, you know, for certain. Let's see, duplicate. I'm just telling you how I'm, you know, personally trading it right now, or at least preparing for it. That is not it. Copy. Paste. Boom. All right. All right. How'd you do the fib? Okay. So why did you? I see the bottom click and the second click. This click right here should be down here for the two. One, one, two, three. Let me show you how to pull the fibs properly here, Khalid. Not picking on you or anything. I just want to show you how to pull them right. Okay. Get the MAs off there. There we go. So you're going to click on the bottom like you did and the top of wave 1, and then you're going to pull it from the bottom of wave 2. You've got it up here somewhere like that. That's wrong. This should be at the bottom of wave 2. So right now we're floating between the 1618 and the 2618. That's it's kind of a bad pull though. Oh, I see. I know why I did that too. So another reason why this is a good third wave, because it comes to the 1618, you know, and it's a good that $10,000 region is right up here next to the 2618, you know, extension. Except when I pull the extension, I'm pulling it from this wave over here, calling it a flat. So anyway, that's the way to pull it, buddy. If you're gonna call this the bottom of wave 1, you pull it right here. Boom, 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 like that. Okay, so that's how you pull it, man. All right, let's look at XRP before we get out of here. We need to watch the State of the Union address, guys. So let's see. XRP, USD, Coinbase is fine, I'm sure. Okay, there we go. All right, 12 hour. Let me just clear. Okay. This is clear as mud is what it is. This wave is so crazy bad. 1, such an ugly 2. But I guess we can call that a 1-2. Yeah, so the way I'd count XRP is 1, 2, all that's 3. It's really ugly 3, 4, and this is making 5. That's really ugly crap right there is what that is. That's ugly crap. All right, but that's the way I'd count it right now. Okay, the 4 doesn't overlap the 1, so that's good. And then so let's zoom in on this wave and see if we can see what that wave looks like finished. Okay, there's 1, 2. Super extended wave, guys. Super extended. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, okay. The way I'd count this last wave here is this is 1, 2. This is 3, 4, and then 5. This could be 3 right here, and then you got a running flat right here. Yep, it looks like a running flat right there. Boom, 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 like that. So there's your fourth wave, and then what we have here on this final wave. Come on. Yeah, it's a 2618, so I'd count this final wave here in XRP. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. Getting 5 here, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, it's close to finished. It is close to finished. I mean, it's profit taking area to me. This is profit taking zone in this region. It might have a couple more cents, you know. It could come up here to the 5. It could come up here to 28.50. I can't say whether it will or won't. But yeah, hope that helps you. But it's looking really close to done. Everything's looking really close to done, guys. It is. It is. Everything looking done. Everything's cooked. So be careful on longs, but don't be afraid of it either. Um, we don't want to miss what it's given us. So let's just use good stops and go for it. But just be careful. Make sure you're using stops. Because right now this is where the market makers make their money at the end of the waves and the beginning of new waves. At trend changes, this is where they trap traders. So be careful, don't FOMO. I would expect probably a hit to the high, and then a reversal. Expect something like that. That's the way I'd be looking at it. Okay. All right, guys, let's get out of here. Y'all have a great night. I just wanted to give you some updates, some thoughts to think about the market. I hope y'all have a fantastic evening, and we'll pick it up tomorrow. We'll try to get a video out a little bit sooner. I just had stuff going on, and I didn't have time this afternoon to get it out. But tomorrow is Wednesday. Should be able to get it out before Bible study. All right, y'all have a great night. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye. And end stream.